performance on the exhaust are, damn, it really opens the bike up like it's night and day. I will say, this pipe is definitely loud. I made the mistake of just riding this bike for like 5 minutes without earplugs, and man, my ears were ringing. So if you're going to get this pipe and you don't want to wear earplugs, I suggest getting the quiet insert. Now, unlike most people, I did not do the 3x3 mod with this exhaust. I'm just not a fan of cutting a hole in my airbox. That's not for me. But I did rejet the bike. I got 150 main, 25 pilot. I got the JD jet kit, so the blue needle, the third clip. And also, I have the fuel screw turned out 3 turns, and it seems to be working just fine for me. I can't complain. I think, though, it will run better when I get the spark arrestor and the quiet insert. I still gotta order that. Alright, let's see how this exhaust performs. Yeah, it is definitely night and day, I'm telling you, with the jet kit. Shit, dude, you want to pull out in front of me? Bitch, man. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Make sure you check out my video where I install this pipe. I try to make it as informative as possible. All the details in there. So yeah, definitely check that out. I couldn't find any really informative videos on how to install this pipe. So I decided I'd make my own. On top of all this, I also did use header wrap and wrap my exhaust. And, you know, just to protect it and to protect my legs. I do here give you a little more low end power, but I really don't care about that because it looks badass and it protects my legs and protects my pipe. So yeah, make sure you check out my install video. It should be up when this is up. Keep it classy. Have a good one. Peace.